10 Amazing Benefits of Coconut Oil. Coconut oil is truly an amazing food. It doesn't just taste good, but has a multitude of benefits for the body on the inside and out. It can help burn fat, speed up the metabolism, reduce appetite, lower cholesterol, and heal our guts. It is also good against bacteria, viruses, and fungi. But coconut oil can be used in a lot of other ways that you might not know about. This video will show you 10 ways to use coconut oil to improve your health, your appearance, and your skin. So, before we start our video, please hit the bell button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. 1. Use coconut oil as a natural energy booster. Medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are found in high amounts in coconut oil, are a type of fatty acid that is easily absorbed by the body and doesn't need to be broken down for energy. That means your body, brain, and cells can use it right away. If you need a quick pick-me-up that is healthy and doesn't contain caffeine, mix 1 tablespoon of coconut MCT oil with ½ tablespoon of chia seeds. It's perfect for the end of the day or after a workout. You can eat it right off the spoon or mix it into your smoothie. If you want to stop using coffee creamer, you can add a spoonful of coconut oil or raw coconut whole food to your coffee along with your favorite natural sweetener. This will give you a boost of energy without the calories and sugar found in store-bought creamers. Put it in a blender for a texture that is so unbelievably creamy it's crazy. 2. Use coconut oil for frying and baking. The smoke point of coconut oil is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes it a great cooking oil for sautéing on the stove. Try making scrambled eggs, stir-fries, curries, or French toast with it. You can even use it instead of butter or vegetable oil in recipes for quick breads, muffins, brownies, cakes, and the like. It works great in chocolate recipes because it brings out the taste. 3. Use coconut oil for dental and oral health. Olive oil is often used for a method called oil pulling, which involves swishing oil around in your mouth. This method has helped low dogs patients with gum problems or too much plaque. But you could also try using coconut oil. There are some reasons to think that coconut oil might be good for the oral microbiome and oral health in general. A review published in 2017 in the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine suggests that the benefits may come from the lauric acid in coconut oil. This acid has anti-microbial and anti-inflammatory properties that may help stop tooth decay. The review found that oil pulling isn't a replacement for regular dental care, but when done right and regularly, it does seem to improve oral health. 4. Use coconut oil as a makeup remover. It's not fun to wash off a full face of makeup only to look in the mirror and see mascara streaks and eyeshadow spots that won't go away no matter how hard you scrub. This is where coconut oil comes in handy. It can break down and dissolve the ingredients in eyeshadow and mascara that are hard to dissolve. Take off waterproof mascara in 7 steps. Put a little coconut oil on a cotton ball or pad, and use it to gently wipe your eyelids and the area around them. When the makeup is gone, wash your face like you normally would. The coconut oil will not only get rid of tough makeup stains quickly, but it will also leave your skin feeling soft and moisturized. Plus, it's healthy, cheap, and won't dry out your skin like those drugstore makeup removers. 5. Coconut oil is great oil for massages. There's no need to spend a lot of money on massage oils that smell fake. Since coconut oil is good for your skin, you can make your own massage oil by mixing a few drops of your favorite soothing essential oils with fractionated or liquid coconut oil in a clean, empty bottle. We really like the smells of lavender, frankincense, eucalyptus, and sandalwood, which are all essential oils. 6. Get your hormones in balance and help your thyroid. Do you feel like your hormones aren't in sync? Coconut oil is useful. It has a lot of healthy fats that can help your thyroid and adrenal glands work better and lower cortisol, which can help your hormones stay in balance. It can also change cholesterol into pregnenolone, which is a key ingredient in making thyroid hormones and raises the body's base temperature. This is very important for people whose thyroids don't work well. Coconut oil can also help keep your metabolism healthy and fight inflammation, which are both important for keeping your hormones in balance. Capsules are a convenient way to get your coconut oil when you're on the go. Nature's Way makes 1000 milligrams soft gels of coconut oil that you can take at any time of day and keep in your bag so that you can keep up with your health goals even when you don't have much time. Hormones with soft gel capsules of coconut oil. 7. As a moisturizer. When you put coconut oil on your skin, it really shines. Coconut oil is a great natural way to keep your skin moist, and it doesn't have any added fragrances or other ingredients that can irritate your skin. The compounds in coconut oil are safe and very good at restoring moisture to skin. Researchers found that putting coconut oil on the skin twice a day for 2 weeks made the skin much more hydrated and was just as safe as using other oils. That you can use coconut oil to relieve pain and swelling and to lower your risk of getting a bacterial infection. When you get out of the shower, warm some in your hands and rub it into your legs, the backs of your arms, or other rough, dry spots. 8. Manage your weight. Coconut oil, if you can believe it, can be advantageous to programs that help people lose weight. The unique properties of MCTs, medium-chain triglycerides, are found in abundance in coconut oil. MCTs, in contrast to other types of fat, are taken directly to the liver and converted into energy by the body in a short amount of time. As a result, they are less likely to be stored as excess fat in the body. Because it helps to speed up your metabolism, using it as part of a weight loss strategy that also includes a nutritious diet and regular exercise can make it more effective. 9. As a hair treatment. Research shows that putting coconut oil on your hair before or after washing may help protect it from damage that can happen when you comb it. In a study of 3 oils, it was the only one that reduced protein loss for both healthy and damaged hair when used before and after washing. One possible reason is that the lauric acid in coconut oil can easily get into the proteins in your hair to help protect it. Just don't use too much oil, or you might look greasy. Newer research also shows that coconut oil may help get rid of dandruff. A 2021 study published in Scientific Reports found that coconut oil may help improve the health of the scalp microbiome, possibly because of its antifungal, anti-microbial properties. After using coconut oil on their scalps, women who tend to get dandruff had more microbes that were linked to less dandruff. There needs to be more research, but a coconut oil hair mask every now and then probably won't hurt. 10. Treatment for acne. In addition to the many other benefits of coconut oil's antifungal and antimicrobial properties, early research suggests it may be a reasonable option for patients with mild to moderate dermal infections, especially acne vulgaris caused by P. acnes. Coconut oil, like all other oils, is comedogenic, which means it can clog pores. However, research has shown that it has anti-inflammatory effects, may protect the skin from UV radiation, and may improve the skin's natural function as a barrier against environmental harms. So, if you have sensitive skin or often get acne, talk to a dermatologist who is board certified before you try it. These are the top 10 amazing benefits of coconut oil. We hope you enjoy the video. Share your views in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching.